The very first Gate Web3 Launchpad is now live, so that is first Web3 Launchpad and featuring Bob by Build on Bob, and guess what? It is 100% on-chain subscription, ensuring a total fairness and transparency. A total 200 million Bob is available at 0.023 USDT per token, supporting USDT on BSC. Super easy to join. You can commit minimum 100 USDT and up to 5000 USDT. The more you commit, the more you earn. Super as that. The event runs from 10 November to 13 November UTC. Don't miss the limited time opportunity. Be early part of the Gate Web3 ecosystem and grab your share of reward before it is gone. And you can also join the exciting event, which is Get Future Point Airdrop 16 Clam 20 soon. Thank you, bro.